Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Black Ops on GeForce Now. First, you will need to download the GeForce Now application onto your chosen device, whether it is a PC, Mac, or mobile device. Next, create or log in to your NVIDIA account to access the cloud gaming service. Remember, you must own Call of Duty Black Ops on either Steam or Battle.net to stream it. Finally, link your game store account to your GeForce Now profile. Once your accounts are linked, open the GeForce Now application and easily locate Call of Duty Black Ops using the search bar. Click the play button to begin your cloud gaming session. You will be prompted to sign into your Steam or Battle.net account within the streaming environment. It is crucial to let the game shaders load completely. This process might take a few minutes but ensures smooth gameplay without stuttering. To get the best experience, a stable internet connection is key. We highly recommend a hardwired Ethernet connection or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. Priority members should aim for a minimum download speed of 50 megabits per second, while Ultimate members will benefit from 100 megabits per second for crisp 4K streaming. Adjust your in-game graphics settings to align with your GeForce Now membership tier for optimal visual quality and frame rates. For a smooth experience, ensure your local device meets GeForce Now's minimum hardware requirements. If you encounter any issues, first check the online service status for both GeForce Now and Call of Duty. If you experience a loop when linking your Activision account in-game, complete this step using a web browser on your local device. Should you see an access denied message on Steam, simply quit and relaunch your game session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.